Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to run a quick scan with Avira free antivirus. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you're going to start by just opening up Avira's main interface. So if you have a desktop shortcut, or if you want to search for it in the start menu, you can, or even go down to your system tray, and then you want to just open it up and then select Smart Scan from the home page here. This will take a couple minutes to run more than likely, so please be patient. Okay, so you can see it says networks are safe and virus free. If there are any outdated apps, that's probably more than likely just Avira trying to do a little bit above and beyond, maybe do an extra application or service they're trying to get you to use here. Otherwise, you can just select skip. You do have the option to select fix issues. However, like I said, sometimes not all these issues may be fixed, but you can see that it is appearing to be going through and actually taking care of them for you. And if you selected fix the rest, you're going to be prompted to select another plan here that is not free, but that's not necessary though for what we're doing. So once you're done with that, we're just going to select no thanks and not today, and that was pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.